demonstration video of the Sorbonne final project of DACH. And our group have picked the primary choice, which is an online library. And before we begin, in order to have a consistent development environment, we decide to use the Docker Compose. And as you could see here, we have the web container, Kibana container, Elasticsearch container, and Postgres container. And the reason why we use Elasticsearch, because in matter of fact, we've already implemented our own algorithm, like the KMP, the Gcard distance. For the recommendation features, we are using the Gcard similarity, and also the algorithm. And for where is the use here? And to implement our own algorithm, we retrieve all the books from the Postgres database, and we use the KMP to do the filtering, kind of things like the filtering, and it works fine, but this take quite a long time. And for the regex, it will take like 4 hours to get the returned results. So we defined two endpoints. This endpoint is using for the Elasticsearch, and this endpoint is using our own algorithm. But for the better user experience, we decide to let the front end and interact with the back end use Elasticsearch endpoint. Obviously, to let you, if user launch a regex search, let him like wait 4 hours to get the results is unbearable. And I have to say that our methodology of development is front-end and back-end separation. That means we could work in parallel. Before the development, we made an API convention and the JSON, like the convention of the JSON format, and you could see here in our report. So let's just begin. Yeah, this is our beautiful, magnificent, awesome front end. Our front end is using the React, and our back end is using the Django. And this input field is used for the keyword search. And if the user wants to if the user wants to launch the regex search, he just needs simply click on this box. But first of all, let's just test the keyword search. Sargon. Yeah, it returns two objects: ancient Egypt, early European history. This one, you could see that this is a book title and this is the text of the book. And for the recommendation features, we declare it as an explicit feature, and that's, in other words, if the user wants to get the recommendation for this book, he just needs to click on this button, and it will return like the top 5 most similar books based on the content of this one. As you could see here, recommendation based on this book, Ancient Egypt. We don't even bother to check the text field. Based on the book name, we could easily tell that all of those books is about some Egyptian history or some European fairy tales or some religion stories or something. Yeah, so let's just check the regex search. Yeah. For example, we would want to search the animal. It will take a while. Yeah. It returns 10 book object. Why is 10? Because I set the page size as 10 for the backend. But we didn't have a convention on the page size, and obviously it's a little bit late to twist the program, but I could show you here. This one is showed by the Django DRF, and we could check the animal. Regex animal. Yeah. It works. I don't know why it's highlighted here, but here is an animal. Animal. It returns like 500 of the books, if I got it right. Yeah, 500, and we got like 1,700 books in our database. So I think that's all, and all of those rest we will let you discover in our reports. So yeah, thanks for your attention and thanks for your time. Wish you have a nice day.